Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working with my Grow with Grace binder. I have $100 in prop money, and then different saving challenges I am saving for different categories for the whole year. So let's get started. Some of these are kind of like long-term savings, so it's going to take us the whole year, like this one. Let's get this over. So this is saving for taxes. This is, what is that on here? This is say 2026 and 2026. You can find this in my Etsy or in my Kofi. Both of those are linked down in the description box. And thank you to everyone who has purchased this and is playing this and saving some money. You go girl, you go. What am I doing? So I am rolling a colored die here. And we have red. And then I thought I had all my things out, but I don't, of course. So I do this is my 20-sided, yeah. A 20-sided die and a 10-sided die. So what I said red. So we're going to red. Really? For $7. Really? Do I have a 7? I don't even have a 7. Let's roll this one again. And that's a 7. Do I have an 8? Yes, I do. That is something crazy. So let's do $8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And let's roll colored die again. Oh, we got green. Yes. So I'm gonna roll this 20-sided die, see what we can get. Really? We got 4. I'm trying to get the big mamas out the way, but it's like, no, sis. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I feel like I want to do that again because that was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's grab that 10. Yeah, let's do it again. Okay, we got orange. Oh, this is the wrong color die. But orange is pink. Yeah, so orange is pink. And let's roll the D10. Really? I can't make this up. So we are doing $3. All right, I tried. It's going to be all the big numbers left. 1, 2, and 3. So now we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. 4, 5. All right, so $15 is put in here. I feel like I want to do that one more time. Okay, one more time, and then we be done. One more time. Purple. And let's roll this D10. 8. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. So purple, and do we have 8? We got 6 and 2. Okay, we do that. So, yeah, so 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 6 and 2. Okay, now I'm happy. I'm satisfied now. Even though those still was low numbers. Perfect. Oh, we almost finished that whole row there. That is something cute. All right. Oh, did I put? No, I didn't put the $8 in there. Look at me. About to mess up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we got 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3. Okay, $23. Kind of happy with that now. All right. Let's put that to the side. And let's go for vacation. And this is created by Mint Dough. Got this printable on her Etsy. Saves $1,200 for a vacation. So I'm just going to color one. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do this 19. Where's my purple? Yeah, let's go ahead and do this 19. Uh-oh. Because I want to finish these purple ones. So we got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Perfect. All right. Next is saving for my son's senior year, which is class of 2026. This saves $150. This is created by Lemon Ivy Budget on Etsy. So let me go ahead and let's roll this ridiculous big one. It's so heavy. Big dice here because this is February, the month of love. Oh, this is so big for 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is a 10. And we'll stop there. All right. So let's put the $10 in. Almost finished with this one. Exciting. Next is month ahead. And that is The Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. That is me. This is Miss Georgette created. This is created by Snowgarner 307. And I'm working on this page here. I can live without money, but I can't live without love. Okay, love thyself. That's correct. This says $75. So let's see. 3, 1, 2. Oh, crack myself with this dice. So that is an 8. All right. I think it was just that page that wouldn't scratch the scratch offs, but this one is scratching beautiful. So $8, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I feel like I should do another one because this one got a lot of scratches. So 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 8. Okay. Yeah, these ones scratch nicely. So $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should I put some ones over there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 16. Correct. All right. Next we have emergency fund. And this book here is created by Budgeting Introvert. Says 1,200 plus. And this is the Giant Ant Savings and Friends. And let me see. Let's put down one of our friends here. Let's see. Let's give him a friend. For each ant is $8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. And this says $96. Let's do one on here. 1. So let's go here. Let's go here. Okay, let's see. What is this one? $3. Yes, this one is $3 for this ant. They are enjoying some strawberry cake, it looked like. A strawberry shortcake. So 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. And it has all these fun saving challenges here. So Can't wait to get through this book. Oh, let's put the money in here. Next, we got the most basic saving challenge, created by Beautifully Be and You. On YouTube, this is found on Amazon. Says 15K. And we are working on our first 100. Let's see what we got left. Oh, we still got a lot of money. 15, 16, 17. So $21. Okay. Can we finish this page? I don't know. Let me get my D8. And let's see. So we got 7. Get my markers here, or highlighters. So 7. Do we have a 7 left? No, but we can do 5 and 2. Yeah, let's do that. 5 and 2 for 7. So I don't remember which color this is. Let's do a gray for right here. Oh no, I got out the lines. Trying to be all fast and stuff. All right, and let's do the 2. Let's do this. I might put all that money in here. I don't know. Oh no. What is up with me getting out the lines? So that's 7. So 5, 6, 7. And let me do it like this. Okay. Let's go again. Oh, 8. So we got an 8 here. Let's do, I don't know what color. I don't know. I think I messed up the colors here. It's going to be 2 colors together. Oh, well. Oh, well. All right. Let's get this 8 color in. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got what, $6 left? Should I put it in here? I mean, there's no rush of finishing this. So that's good for this one. So what we put in here? 5, 6, 7, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I think that's a nice amount. $15. Right. And then let's go back to the vacation. And then we'll put the left in here. So $5, $6. So let's see. Do we have a 6? We have a 6 all the way down there. We have a 6 over here. Okay. Do I remember which marker I used? No, I think it's this one. Yeah. So $6 going over here. Perfect. Trying to get to that $1,200. But if I don't finish this, I'm just going to pull what I saved so far and then continue and finish it. What? Continue to play it until it's finished. Goodness, girl. All right. That is my Grow with Grace. Gems, give yourself some grace. If you fall behind on your debt progress, your savings, just give yourself some grace and then pick up where you left off and keep on moving. And that is all I have for you guys. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.